Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new here, my name is Brandy and I do makeup tutorials, reviews, and everything in between for makeup. So give this video a thumbs up and also to subscribe to our channel by turning on that bell notification to let you guys know when I do upload my next video. So today's video is pretty much a clean spring makeup tutorial. So it's pretty much really easy to accomplish. Pretty much it looks very dewy, but I think that's all because of the spray that I used. So I am using the new Morphe full coverage foundation and I really like it. It kind of does seem a little weird in the beginning because when I did apply it to my skin, I looked like a ghost. So you guys will see it. It does take a while for it to just settle into the skin and also to adjust to your actual skin color. So it does oxidize. Other than that, I really love this foundation, how it looks. It looks super flawless. It looks like Instagram filter, like really Instagram filter. So yeah, I pretty much use a one coat of this and I put it in the back of my hand. And I did use the new concealer also, and I just kind of like blocked out here, and then I had a blemish right here. So everything seems fine and I really do love it so far. So if you guys are interested in knowing how I do this spring clean makeup look, then keep on watching.
Using the Urban Decay Quick Fix Hydra-Charged Complexion Prep Priming Spray, and I love this is because I could just spray it on my face as a primer. Next, I am applying MAC's Timecheck Lotion. So this is another primer that I love using on my face. This is also going to help with my foundation sticking to my skin and having my foundation to last all day long. Next, I'm going to be taking my Morphe Full Coverage Foundation. This is in F3.40. It's a matte foundation. I'm going to be applying it behind of my hand, and then I'm going to be applying it with my clean fingers, dotting everywhere on my face. Next, we're going to be using the Beauty Sponge by Morphe, and we're going to be distributing the product all over the entire face. And don't forget to put also on your neck. You don't want to forget about your neck area. For concealer, I'm going to be using Morphe's concealer in C3.25, and I'm just going to be putting this all over underneath my eyes, any blemishes by my mouth, and also blemish on my chin. I'm going back in with the beauty sponge and I'm going to be patting in the concealer onto my skin. And I love this is because it just gives off a flawless finish. Like, it's so beautiful on the skin. I don't know what it is, but I love it so far. It's not cakey, it just glides on so beautifully. So to set my concealer, I'm going to be using Laura Mercier's translucent loose setting powder, and this is good for any skin tone. You can use any brush that fits right under the eyes and parts of the areas that you have concealed. You want to just make sure that it's fluffy enough to catch the product and also to diffuse onto the skin. To set my whole face, I'm going to be using Morphe's Filter Effect Finishing Powder in filter number 7. So I'm just going to be using another fluff brush, which is for the face, and I'm just going to be powdering up the whole rest of my face just to set in the concealer and foundation. So next we're going to be doing our brows, but unfortunately I'm not going to be going through depth about this because I do have a video of how I do my brows, how I fill them in. So I'll link it up and also into the description box if you guys are interested, and everything else of the products that I use will be listed down below for your convenience. Now it's time to just finish up the rest of our face. So I'm going to be using the Patrick Starr by MAC, and this is the bronzing powder in Give Me Life. I'm going to be chiseling out my cheekbones for a little bit more definition, and I'm going to be using an angle brush And all what you're going to do is you're just going to find the hollows of your cheeks, your chin, your temples, and anywhere else that you need to bronze. So for blush, I'm going to be using the MAC Warm Soul. This is a Mineralize blush, and I refuse to buy a new one because I am running out. But this is my all-time favorite blush in the universe. So for highlight, I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Sun Dip Kit. And I'm going to be using Moonstone in the palette. And I'm just going to be using a highlighting brush or any type of brush that is easily to be used on your cheekbone. Now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette and I'm going to be using two colors. First is going to be China Rose. I'm going to be placing this all over my lid with a shader brush, and this is mainly going to be concentrated on the lid. Next, we're going to be taking Dusty Rose, and this is kind of like a taupe color, and we're going to be using a crease brush, and we're going to be applying it only into the crease. So you want to use feather-like motions, sweeping it back and forth. So you don't want it to be super harsh. You just really want it to just diffuse the color China Rose that we have applied onto our lid. I'm taking my Morphe palette and I'm going to be using this dark brown color, and we're going to use an angled brush, and we are going to just line closely to the lash line, mimicking that I have eyeliner on. So I just want something soft, nothing too harsh, just something that just looks flawlessly done. Now I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes, and I'm using the MAC Full Lash Curler. And you just want to make sure that you're not going to be pinching your skin, because I've done it before and it hurts, it sucks. But yeah, you're just going to curl your. I'm going to be adding some mascara. So this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof in Blackest Black, and I'm going to be putting one coat of this on the top. And I'm also going to be using another mascara, and this is also by L'Oreal Paris, and this one's called Voluminous Hydrofuge, and this is also in waterproof, and this one's called Black. And I also do apply it again at the top of my lashes and also the bottom of my lashes, and you just want to make sure that you're evenly putting it on your lashes because you don't want it to look like spiders. Lastly, to top it off, I'm going to be using MAC's Cremesheen Glass in Pure Delight. And don't forget to apply some Fix Plus all over your face to set in your makeup.
So this completes my fresh spring makeup tutorial. If you guys seen how the foundation was sitting on my face, it had to kind of like settle in, and then it starts to adjust to my regular skin tone. But I do love it. It's full coverage. I feel like I'm okay with it, I guess. I don't know. We'll see how I like it, because I've never tried this foundation before, so it's the first time I've ever tried it. So everything will be linked down below for your guys' information of what products I've used. And yeah, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel, and also check out my vlog channel. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.